Good morning, students. This is the Smart Schools Rasid Ahmad Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campuses. I'm your teacher, Ms. Frida, and you all know that I teach you ICT. In our last class, that is physical class, we have done question answers of chapter number 1, that was how does a computer work. So in this recorded session, we will start our book exercises, which are really easy and really fun to do. So you all have to do that. Open your books and take pencil in your hand, sharp pencil obviously, and just do this work. And one more thing, that I have an assignment for you all. एक assignment है class जो कि आपको अपनी back of copy पे करना है. That is really easy. Okay, now students, open your book that is online with smart computing for grade 4 and open page number 7. Okay, now students, I hope you all have opened this page, that is page number 7, and listening to me carefully. You all know what is input, what is process, what is output. Okay? You all have understood during my class, during the physical session, that what are these, and they work in steps. You all know that computer work in steps. Computer किसी step के बगैर काम नहीं करता. Why? कैसे? First of all, when you open the Google, you write something. You want to search the meaning of something, okay? Then you write that on Google. That is your input. When the Google is searching, that is called process. And when you get the answer, that is called your output. For example, I write Google add 2, 5 and 3. Then answer, and the process that Google is searching for my answer, that is your process. जिस टाइम में Google आपका आंसर सर्च कर रहा है वो क्या होता है? प्रोसेस. और फिर जब आपको अपना आंसर मिल गया, that was 10, तो that is your output. आपको अपना जवाब मिल गया, Google ने आपको जवाब दे दिया, तो आपको output मिल गया. Okay students, so I'll be sharing more examples with you of input and output. And one more thing students, that is you all know that computer works on 3 steps, that is input, process and output. And for short form we can also say that IPO. I stands for input, P stands for process and O stands for output. So IPO cycle. So class, on the same page you can see the differences between man and computer. We have discussed this in class, during class, that men work very slowly whereas computer work fast. Man can think but computer cannot think. So class, the big difference between computer and man is that man gets bored very easily while computer never gets bored. Now open your book page number 8 and you can see must know. A computer is fast, however, there are some computers that are faster than others. The speed of a computer depends on its processing speed as well as RAM size. So class, आपको इस बात से क्या समझ आया? Computer are fast, but कुछ कंप्यूटर्स ऐसे हैं जो कि उससे भी ज़्यादा तेज़ हैं. और कंप्यूटर की स्पीड किस पे डिपेंड करती है? रैम साइज़ पे. अगर रैम बड़ी होगी, साइज़ ज़्यादा होगा तो तेज़ स्पीड होगी. अगर कम साइज़ होगा, नॉर्मल साइज़ होगा तो कम स्पीड होगी, राइट? सो on this page you have multiple choice questions. Now do this in your book. So the first one is, in the ATM card, ATM machine node system, where does the processing take place? अब इन 3 options में से आपने choose करना है कि process कहाँ हो रहा है. Is it in ATM card, is it in ATM machine or is it nodes? Hurry up, tell me the answer. You can write your answer in the comment box, okay? Answer of these 3 multiple choice questions only remember. So the second one is, which of the following can imagine and think? इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन है जो कि think कर सकता है, imagine कर सकता है? That is number A, a stone, number B, a living human, C, a computer. Now tell me the answer in comment box. So number 3 is, in the oranges juicer juice system, what is the input? अब इन 3 चीज़ों में से input क्या है? Oranges, juicer or juice? Okay, so class, you can write the answers on the chat box, but after completing it from your book, okay, in your book. Now you can see on your screen the picture of input, process and output. It is not in your book, so books में please इसको मत ढूंढेगा. I have attached this for your explanation that what is input, what is process and what is output. As you all can see, it's very easy to understand from this picture. Input, then process, then output. Okay. Okay class, this is the another example of input, process and output, and you can get easily understood from it, and it's very easy. I hope you all can understand it. So now class, open page number 9 and you can see exercise on this page. We'll start with exercise A, that is choose the correct option and write in the space provided. We have to choose the answer, okay? The word compute means to dash. Is it category, calculate or common? Yes, it's calculate. Yes. Number 2 is dash means raw facts and figures. A, output, information, C, data. It is data. Okay, then number 3 is the result of a processed data is called dash. Data, output, input. Yes, that is output. Now, number 4 is a computer works on the principle of dash cycle. OIP, IPO or PIO. Yes, that is IPO. As you all know, IPO stands for input, process and output. I hope you all have done exercise A with me. Now exercise B, that is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is a computer is a dash machine. You can choose the answer from the option that is electronic. Yes. Number 2 is computer cannot dash and dash. Yes, think and imagine. Number 3, dash is processed data, information. Okay, the answer will be information. Next is number 4. Processing is calculating or dash the data. That will be sorting the data. Okay. Data is raw, dash or dash. The answer will be data is dash, data is raw, dash or dash. Facts or figures. Okay. You should all write the answers now. Okay. Now we'll do exercise C. Tick right, correct and cross the wrong ones. Computer works slowly. You know it's wrong. Okay. Number 2, computer stores lots of information. You all know it's right. Computer gets tired easily. You know it's wrong. Now number 4 is data is processed information. You know it's wrong. Why? Because processed information is called output. Next is 5. Computer converts the instructions into binary code. That is right. CPU is common processing unit. No, it's wrong. Okay, now class, open page number 10. You can see exercise F. Okay, that exercise F is your homework. That is, you have to do this at your home and you have to do this in your book. Write down the correct steps below each picture. It's mean below each picture you have to write its steps. What are steps? Input, process and output. आपने इन पिक्चर्स के नीचे इनके स्टेप्स लिखने हैं जो कि इनपुट, आउटपुट, प्रोसेस, इन तीनों में से कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. For example, in the picture number 1, you can see tailor is making a dress. What is it? And in the next, you can see a cloth. And the next, you can see a dress. So now class, open page number 11. You can see exercise G. That is also your homework. It is very easy. You just have to match the columns. You can see the first column, that is input, second processing, and the third is output. Match the input column with the processing column and the output column. Okay, it's very easy. There are 5 matchings. You have to do this in book. Okay, the first one is the numbers 2 and 3. Processing will be add and the output will be 5. Okay, so now class, I have a short assignment for you all and it's very fun and very easy. You just have to open back of your ICT copy. Okay, I repeat myself, back of your ICT copy and write heading of assignment and write today's date. Okay, so you all have to do this assignment in back of your ICT copy. It's very easy. Okay class, so this activity you have to do in your back of your copy and it's very easy. You don't have to make these pictures. आपको pictures बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप just इनके names लिखकर इनके arrow के आगे arrow बनाएंगे इनके names लिखकर और उसका process, फिर उसका arrow और फिर उसका last में output लिख देंगे. ठीक है, जैसे आपको सारे options दिख रहे हैं ऊपर. There's a toaster, orange, toast, bread toast, orange juice, glass of water, fridge and pizza. In the first column, that is input, you can see bread. Okay, there's a raw bread or fresh bread. अब process में क्या आएगा? Toaster. आपने bread को toast किया and then output में क्या आ जाएगा? Toasted breads. Toasted breads. So that is your output. Same goes for the second. और आप इसका आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? First you will write breads, then you will make an arrow. Okay, then you will write toaster, then you will make an arrow and write toasted breads. आपने सिर्फ spellings लिखनी है. Okay, so class, I hope this will be easy for you. और अगर आपको ये ना समझ आए तो आप प्लीज़ इसको छोड़ देगा. मैं आपको स्कूल में करवा दूँगी, क्लास में करवा दूँगी. Okay, you can take help from your elders. Okay, no need to worry. So class, my session will be ending now. I hope you all understand and will finish all those exercises which we have done and which I have given you for homework. सब मुझे homework complete चाहिए आप लोगों का. I need all your exercises complete. Okay, and do this assignment, and if you can't then leave it. परेशान नहीं होएगा, क्लास में करवा दूँगी. Now take care. अल्लाह हाफिज़.